In this video, we will show you in more detail how to move and scale objects and how to create duplicates. As already mentioned, all scaling and positioning operations can be performed using the available options from the Tool Options bar or by using the mouse. Let's see what you can do with the mouse. In general, when you are in selection mode, you can click to select any part of your design or click and drag to select multiple parts. Once you've made a selection, you will notice that a highlighted rectangle surrounds all the selected objects. This highlighted rectangle offers various handles which can help you transform the selection. First of all, notice that when the mouse is outside of the shape, you have a normal pointer. If you move the mouse over the artwork, the pointer changes into this multi-directional arrow. Now you may click and drag to move the selected objects. If you hold the Ctrl key down and drag horizontally, the software helps you move an object straight along a horizontal line. Likewise, you can move an object on a vertical line. You can easily create duplicates while moving. Simply press the D key while dragging, and when you release the mouse, a duplicate is created on the new position. Now, if you move the mouse cursor on top of any of the corner handles, you get a bidirectional pointer. Click and drag to the outside to make it larger, or to the inside to make it smaller. When using the corner handles, the size operation is proportional. If you want to change both dimensions freely at once, hold the Alt key down, and then you can size both dimensions at once. If you move the mouse cursor on top of any handles on the middle of the sides, you get the same arrow, and if you click and drag, you can stretch the selection. You can move to the left or right side, or top or bottom, and this will change the shape or the proportion of your objects. As already described, you can easily create duplicates using the D key. When using any of the size handles, you can always resize towards the opposite direction. At any point while transforming objects, you can press the D key once to create a transformed duplicate, leaving the initial object as is. In this way, you can create mirrored objects.